All of us at ABC News are proud to be launching a special series of reports called Hidden America. The forces of ABC News joining together to tell you about some of the struggles of Americans all around you, struggles that rarely make the headlines, and problems we can solve together. Tonight, ABC's Chris Cuomo starts us off with a medical crisis for tens of thousands of American children, something preventable, and yet doctors are turning them away.
Diamante Driver, a beautiful boy, should have never died the way he did. A dental infection spread to his brain after no dentist would accept his Medicaid insurance, and his mother couldn't afford to pay out of pocket.
We give you our tax dollars to take care of kids, the most vulnerable, the most at risk, and you didn't. How can this be?
Well, healthcare in this country typically focuses on things that are other than dental care.
That was 5 years ago. Today, there are potentially 16 million Diamantes out there. Low-income children on Medicaid still getting no dental care, not even a routine exam. Why? Because dentists want more money than Medicaid provides, and state governments refuse to pay higher rates.
The Medicaid rates are so low that dentists are not willing to participate in the Medicaid program.
We couldn't believe it could be that hard to find a dentist. After all, this is America. So we zeroed in on the epicenter of the crisis, Florida, and randomly called 10 pediatric dentists in 4 counties to make an appointment.
Do you accept Medicaid? How about if it's for a kid whose face is hurting?
10 out of 10 turned me away. Florida has some of the lowest Medicaid reimbursement rates in the country and was recently awarded a grade of F in children's dental health. One look here says a mouthful. It's hard to see, but this is reality for this 7-year-old.
That's cavities. So this is bacteria that's infected the teeth.
Have you ever been to the dentist before, honey?
Nearly half of all Florida counties don't have a single private pediatric dentist who takes Medicaid. In the long term, no dental care can mean heart problems, diabetes, osteoporosis.
This is Joel's very first dental visit. He's never been to the dentist before. He's 4 years old.
A scared boy in his mother's arms. Thousands of Florida kids like Joel suffer root canals, extractions, and worse.
Come on in.
Thankfully, there are those not waiting for the government or fellow dentists to take action.
Does that tooth hurt you sometimes?
In Louisiana, Dr. Greg Fols is on a mission, going school to school in a mobile clinic, filling cavities.
The depth of the decay is really, really deep.
And teaching prevention, one of the few willing to accept Medicaid. He doesn't make much, but it's enough for him.
And we're able to take the pain away from their teeth. It brings the spark back.
Giving kids that gift they all deserve.
Mama.
A healthy and happy smile.
It's good to see those kids smile, isn't it? Now listen, Diane, Health and Human Services came back to us and they said this situation is getting better. By better, they mean 40% of kids with Medicaid now see a dentist.
40%?
Just 40%. It's unacceptable. The number's not good enough. We went after them 5 years ago. It didn't get done. This time, we will not rest. This is unacceptable.
And what about the good dentists out there who want to help the 60% who are living their lives right now and can't wait?
Luckily, there is a way to get involved and to help those dentists who are doing the right thing. You can go to our website, abcnews.com. We have the information of all the organizations there.
All right. Well, again, give a child a smile. Thank you, Chris. We'll see more on this story, we know. And as we said, the entire ABC News division is teaming up to report on these hidden struggles and solutions here in this country. And in our next Hidden America, John Quinones travels to a place where 100,000 children live often without running water or electricity, but are still trying to dream the American dream. And that is tomorrow on Nightline.